Hello! In this video I'm showing you border ideas inspired by spring and examples of how to use them to decorate covers, notes, journals, etc. For the first idea, I'm using these 3 markers plus a red pen. I start by decorating the top margin with a wavy pink and brown border. Now I draw a little bear in the center of the bottom margin and finish the border with a design similar to the previous one. Then I connect both borders on the sides with a simple line. After that, I keep decorating the bottom border and outline everything with a red pen. This margin can be used to decorate a cover, for a letter, or any other project. I wrote the lyrics of one of my songs. To make the second idea, I first draw a pencil guide on the top and bottom edges. Then I paint irregular circles of pink and others with 2 different shades of yellow. Then I complete the border by drawing some leaves and then add the details to the flowers with the red pen. As you can see, I transform the pink spots into roses, and in the yellow ones I draw 2 different types of flowers, depending on the size of the central dot. I use this margin to make an example of a cover with a long title, which is a phrase by the British poet Christina Rossetti. As you can see, the design of the title matches that of the border. And now I cut out the title, I paste it on the cover, and I glue the cover page to the notebook. The third border is an idea I shared in a short last year, but I wanted to include it here because I think it fits really well with the spring theme. This time, as an example of a long title for a cover or poster, I also wrote a quote. The quote I wrote is by Neruda translated into English. In the fourth margin, I start decorating the top border with a design of simple flowers with a yellow disc and pink petals. Those flowers are connected by green stems that I finish off with 2 red flowers at their ends. Now I draw a gray watering can at the bottom border. And next to the watering can, I draw a little branch with flowers. I also draw some assorted flowers inside the watering can. Then I outline everything and write the title of the cover with a design that coordinates with the border. In the fifth idea, I draw a green border with a grassy area at the bottom and a design of pink and yellow grid at the top. Now I draw a yellow chick in the center of the bottom border, and then some pink petaled flowers on both sides of the chick. After that, I outline the drawing with a darker yellow marker, and in the first idea I give you with this margin, I make a weekly planner. In the second idea, I make an example of notes and take advantage of the grid area to write the title. Then I outline everything with a red pen, which I also use to write the text. Let me know in the comments if you prefer the outlined margin in red or yellow, and give me a like if you liked the video. See you later.